Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to our EVS class. Today we are going to learn chapter 4. We need to have fun. What do you like do you in your leisure free time? Now you have more free time. What do you like do you in your free time? Yes, now you have more free time. You can watch TV more time, you can do some hobbies also like that. The time that you spend in your doing something that you like, so for example, playing games, reading books, watching television, or etc. is your leisure time. The time that you take, the time that you spend in doing something like you. Example, reading books, watching TV, playing games, talking to your friends is your leisure time. Leisure time means free time. So, the activities that you do in your leisure time are known as recreations. The activities that you do in your leisure time, that is known as recreations. The activities you do in your leisure time or free time, that is known as recreations. It is very important to have some leisure time during the day. During the day, it is very important you have to take some free time or leisure time. So, this leisure time helps you to refresh your mind and bodies. So, during the day you must take some leisure time. So, this leisure time help you to refresh your mind and body also. So, leisure time is very important. Then fun in school. In school you have also some leisure time. School we have break in our school to eat, then play and talk to our friends. Now you are free because you are not going to school, but in your school time you have break time for classes to eat and talk to friends and play also. We also have game periods also, and we can play that time indoor games or outdoor games like that cricket, football, basketball, and participating in running competitions, swimming, gymnastics, etc. And also we can take part in other activities also. In our school also we have a separate period for that activity period. In activity periods, dance, drama, music, etc. are in our school. These recreational activities help to develop different skills and also having a lot of fun. So, in our school also we have these recreational activities like that. Games, we have periods for that game period, and also we have another period, activity periods like music, drama, dance, craft, etc. in our school. These activities also help to develop our different skills. These activities help to develop some different activities, different skills. Then fun at home also. Fun at home. At home we spend our leisure time watching TV, reading books, different types of books, and playing games with other children in the neighborhood. On certain days we stay inside and play games like chess, ludo, snake and ladder, etc. Certain days we like to play inside our home, because now we have rainy season, so we cannot go outside, so we like to play inside in our home. Example for that, chess, ludo and snake and ladder. These games that we play inside our home are called the indoor games. Indoor games. We like to play some games inside our homes. That is called indoor games. Example for that chess, ludo, snake and ladder, etc. are the example for indoor games. We like the games that we play inside our homes. Inside our homes or buildings are called indoor games. On the other hand, games that we play outside or in the open are called outdoor games. The games that we like to play outside or open are called outdoor games. Indoor games and outdoor games. Outdoor games are cricket, football, basketball, etc. are outdoor games we can play only outside. This example football, hockey, volleyball, etc. are the example for outdoor games. Then sometimes people from different families, different generations enjoy different activities. In your family also different generations, like your grandparents, parents, and you also different generations. But in your your family, your grandparents like to watch TV or watching TV, that is news, or reading books or newspaper, like that. They like to some activities. But in your parents like to watching movie or cricket, like that. So you like to watching mobile or computer games, like that. So sometimes people from different generations enjoy different activities. But earlier people did not have this type of TV, mobile phone, anything. So that time they prefer to read or play sports. Earlier people did not have TV or this type of electronic machines, so they prefer to read or play sports. And earlier girls were not encouraged to play sports. Earlier girls were not encouraged to play games, but therefore women of your grandparents generation were not like to play games or that. They would often spend their time to swimming, painting, singing, etc. or listening music, etc. They prefer to like. And another one, then play or work. What is play or work? For many of us, playing game is our favorite recreational activity. You are the children, you also like to play games. That is your favorite recreational activities. There are some people who take a game very seriously, spend a lot of time on it and achieve a high standard. They are selected to take part in the tournaments. So there are some people who take game very seriously and spend a lot of time for that and achieve a high standard. They are selected to take part in the tournaments. Tournament means sports competition with a lot of players or team. Cricket tournament, football tournament, like that. Tournament is a sports competition with a lot of players or teams. Then these people are called sports persons. These people are called sports person. Some people who takes the game very seriously and they spend a lot of time in that and achieve a high standard. They are selected to take part in tournaments. These people are called sports persons. A sports person may be a cricketer, footballer, and those who play sports for a living called professional sports person. Those who play sports for living. Those who play sports for living. For living is called a professional sports person. Sachin Tendulkar is a professional sports person. So those who play sports for their living is called a professional sports person. Playing that sports becomes their work. Playing that sports becomes their work. So they are called a professional sports person. So important points of this chapter. The time that you spend in doing something that you like is your leisure time. What is leisure time? The activities that you do in your leisure time are known as recreations. Leisure time means free time. Leisure time is very important to have some leisure time during day. During the day you also have leisure time. You need some leisure time because that is very important, and these leisure time activities help you to refresh your mind and bodies. And also different people spend their leisure time differently. Different people from in the same family also, different generations, they also like to different activities, and people of different generations often enjoy different leisure activities. So these are the important points of this chapter. Thank you.